Mav, tally 2, 5 o'clock low.
Just be cool. If they knew who we were, we'd be dead already.
Well?
Let's put your mask on. Remember, we're on the same team. Just wave and smile.
What's that signal? What's he saying?
Yeah, no idea. I have no idea what he's saying.
His wingman is moving into a weapons envelope.
Mav, can we outrun these guys?
Not their missiles and guns.
Then it's a dogfight.
An F-14 against 5th-gen fighters.
It's not the plane, it's the pilot. Just do.
Tell me what you see smoke in the air!